guys, what's up? It's Eunice and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am looking a little fetus because I am going to show you guys my current brow routine. So if you want to know how I do my brows, then just keep on watching. So for today's video, I am going to use two of my favorite brow products, one high-end and one drugstore, just to give you guys an option if you think that the high-end version is too pricey and you don't want to splurge right now. So what I have here is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and ever since I colored my hair darker, I've been using the shade number 5. And then the other brow pencil that I have is this e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil that I talked about in my 2018 favorites, drugstore favorites. Actually, these are both in my 2018 makeup favorites. So the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil is in the shade Natural Brown because I got this when I was still into like lighter brows because of my hair. So I should have used my lighter Benefit pencil, but I just wanted to show you guys that this is what I currently like. So for the price point, the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil retails for $24 and you get 0.002 ounces, while the e.l.f. Ultra Micro Brow Pencil, Ultra Precise Brow Pencil retails for $5 but also comes with 0.002 ounces. Both pencils have spoolies on their ends, and one thing to note is that the e.l.f. spoolie is a lot more harsh than the Benefit spoolie. This one is a lot more softer and whatnot. But when it comes to the pencil, here is the pencil, and then I'm going to swatch it for you guys. So let's make that, we don't want to break that. Okay, when it comes to like the swatch, hopefully you guys can see it. This one is the e.l.f. and this one is the Benefit one. I'm going to put on some lip balm because I just noticed how dry my lips are. Let's start with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil on this eyebrow. So what I like to do is I just comb it first, make sure I shape it the way I want it to, and I usually pluck my own brows, just so you guys know. Once it gets crazy, I go to, I don't know, the Benefit Brow Bar, or when I was in the Philippines, I just go to Lay Bear and get it threaded and whatnot. And then as the time goes, when it starts growing out, I just pluck it until it gets too crazy and I get too lazy to pluck it. Then that's when I get my brows done. But on a regular basis, I just pluck it on my own. I just pluck the stray hairs around the brow area. What I like to do is start here and then just start outlining my brow to my ideal shape. So as you can see, I made a mistake. I went way too high. And it's easy to actually swipe that off, and that's why I like apply my brows first prior to like my foundation or any other makeup product, is because I can easily swipe it off and we can start over. So like I said, you just start on the outer part of your brow, and my brows are really full when it comes to like this area, so I try not to overdraw my brows and apply more product in here. What I like to do is I just use the spoolie and kind of use the same product from this side and apply it here. And that will help give it that gradient effect from light to like full brows. And that's one thing that I just learned recently, because I always feel like my brows are too full, that it looks too fake. It doesn't look natural. So if you still have sparse areas, feel free to go back in with a pencil. It's so hard to apply makeup today because I just worked out yesterday and this morning. I'm doing Vloggy Lotties, the monthly workout for February, and my arms are hurting. That's it. It's quick and easy. So that's the Benefit side, and now let's do the e.l.f. side. Just to give you guys a comparison of how they look, but there is the difference. This is like much fuller compared to this one. Here is my pencil. So like I said, the spoolie is a little bit harsher, but it's not that bad. I mean, for $5, I've been using this for months and months now. There's still a lot in this product. Just do the same thing. Start from the middle part of your brow and then brush out. Now this brow is quite different because I have like a really sparse area on this part of my brow. Not sure if you can see that, so I'm just gonna lightly add some brow hairs there, and then of course the upper part of my brow. Like I said, the Benefit Precisely My Brow is a lot creamier than the e.l.f. one. So you really have to like go back and forth to mimic the natural brow hairs. I kind of like the arched brow look. The straight brow doesn't look good on me. So then, like I said, just kind of brush through that. And there, that's it. So as you can see, this one looks a tad bit more fuller compared to this one. And that's the only difference. Because the Benefit Precisely My Brow is a lot creamier in formula, it's gonna appear fuller compared to the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. But I usually always just put a brow gel, a brow mascara, brow gel. I use the Gimme Brow in shade number 3. And I use this on the tail end of my brows just to make sure that it looks fuller than this area of my brow, and then also to make sure that the brows stay in place and that they don't move. So like I said, I still apply like a tinted brow gel on top of it, so that's why I don't like overdoing it. So that is my quick and easy brow routine with using a high-end product on this side and then a drugstore product on this side. Like I said, I love both pencils and I can definitely see myself always repurchasing both pencils no matter the price point, just because sometimes I feel like using the Benefit one for a more full look, but then sometimes I'm more of the e.l.f. one for a more natural look because it is the formula is not as creamy, so not much product goes on my brow and whatnot. If you want to purchase these products, the links to purchase them will be down in the description box. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, just comment down below. Also, do follow me on my social media, and I also am trying to create a new platform for you guys for more of a fashion lifestyle side of myself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you in any way, shape, or form, do comment down below, and of course do click the like button if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching. It's Eunice. See you guys later. Bye!